First fish, baby, is a large lip. Not what we're going after, but we got one on the fly rod. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Not exactly our goal there, but we did get one. Really hoping for the bluegills. What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're gonna do some fly fishing today for a little bit. It's raining right now, but hopefully we can get some bluegills. I've got some worms, I've got some flies. We might pair the two together. We're gonna catch something though. Stay tuned and let's do it. Hopefully the rain holds off, but it's coming down currently. Got us our first bluegill, baby. And it's a little squeaker, and there's such big ones in here too. Oh, that's a little disappointing. One down. Okay. Can work with it. It's a start. Fly fishing for gills is tough. It is tough. It can be super easy, but it's tough here for some reason. Little 8-incher. There we go. In case we get a bunch of them. There we go. Another gillio. That's a better one. That's a better one. It's got to be a better one, right? Number 2. First one was 8 inches, and this guy is 9 inches. There we go, baby. That's a nice fish. Please stay on. Come on. Yes, sir. Nice red ear, I think. I don't know what this guy is, but he's nice, thick. Good deal. Another one down. Cool. Right at 8. There we go, baby. Another one bites the dust. $8 1/4. There we go. And another gill. $8 1/4. Perfect. There we go. Been a minute, but we got us another one. Stay on for me. In the old death roll. And we got him in the boat. So he's 8 1/2 or so. Ooh, 8 3/4. Coming up on 9 there. We're picking away at them slowly but surely. It's a little slow. If we didn't have the worms, there's literally no chance that we would probably catch any of these guys. But with the worms, it's a game changer. and ideally it would be more like a fly chase, but they just want it presented so slow the fly's almost sitting on the bottom or right above the bottom, and you know, it is what it is. But we've got, I think, 7 now, so we're gonna take these guys home and make a little mess of them, but we're gonna keep fishing for a little bit. But fly fishing is the key right now. Let's go. Oh my God, he nailed it. He nailed it. I'm catching that one. And that one's coming home with me. Hey, you gotta stay in here, buddy. Another gill. Yeah, buddy. Eight-incher. Another one on the fly rod, baby. That's what we were looking for. That dang red ear got me for so long. Dang it, finally got him. Took me 17 minutes to catch this one fish. Yes. And that's a good one. About 8 3/4. There you go. Just polished off number 10. Very exciting. Shout out to the worms. Shout out to my flies, Bass Pro Shops, LL Bean. And then actually one of these flies, this one, which didn't catch me a ton today, but I can see the potential of it. Gosh, don't look at my hands, the worms are nasty. But my neighbor hand tied that one for me and gave it to me. He said it's a bluegill killer, just pair it with like a bee moth or something. And you know, bee moth probably would have been a better bait today, but the worms worked. I hate that it makes your hands this absolutely gross, but 10 fish down, I'm ecstatic. That's an awesome meal for me and my wife, and heck, we could probably invite a guest over. 10, that's 10 fillets a piece. That's quite a few. So we're gonna keep fishing for a little bit. I don't know if we'll keep any more bluegills or not. We'll just have to wait and see what we catch. There's a few nice red ears in here that I had my eyes on. I hooked a monster and he got off, but we're still picking away at a few fish. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed. We're gonna keep fishing, but start heading back towards the ramp soon. Yes, baby. Big old perch. Heck yeah. Ah. How's it going? Oh, it's going. You snuck up on me. I didn't hear you till you were just right there. Actually, a couple bluegills. Got 10 bluegills and 1 perch. And I'm actually thinking about heading out because I don't know what's going to happen right there.
No, I haven't. I didn't think it was supposed to rain at all today. And
I didn't either, but here we are.
Came through earlier, so check some license real quick. I'm gonna pull this out just a little bit so we don't end up in that pier.
Okay.
Catching most of your bluegill up close to the shoreline then? Or?
Yeah, and actually it was only one singular spot. I've tried probably a couple hundred yards of bank, and there was only one dock that seemed to want to cooperate.
life preservers on board?
Yeah, just a second.
Yep.
Kind of got the boat all a mess. But I've got 3 or 4 of them. Is that enough?
Okay. That looks good.
Perfect.
All right, I will get out of here and let you fish. And
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
good evening and try to stay dry.
Will do. You too. Every time I go fishing, it's one thing or another. Wind, rain, something. Just got to stop by the DNR. Not a bad situation. Real quick, check the life jacket, check my license, good to go. And we could be back fishing, but I'll point at it one more time for you. I keep hearing some thunder and lightning, so I'm gonna get the heck out of here pretty much as fast as I can, because I think it's gonna go a hair north, but I can't see over this tree line, so I don't know if there's a little bit more coming. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of pan fishing, which, what a day. Sorry if there wasn't a lot of talking, but I was laser focused on, like, if I'm gonna keep bluegills, I want to do this and I want to get them. So I don't want to leave with like 2 or 3. I need like probably at least 6 to make me and my wife a decent dinner. So we ended up with 10 plus a perch. Very awesome day out here, guys. So if you can, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and we will catch you on the next pan fishing mission. Peace.